First one is coffee, and I know you're not going to like this. The second you wake up, your body already released cortisol on its own. That's your natural wake-up hormone. It's what actually pulls you out of sleep and makes you alert. It peaks about 30 to 45 minutes after you open your eyes. So when you immediately grab coffee on top of that, you're not getting more energy. You're stacking caffeine on a hormone that's already doing the same job. Over time, your body stops producing as much cortisol naturally and just waits for the caffeine instead. That's why you feel like you can't function without it. You trained yourself into that. Wait an hour after waking before you touch coffee. Let your cortisol do its job first. Then the coffee actually hits the way it's supposed to. Second is carbs. Rice, bread, pasta, all of it. Your body handles carbohydrates completely differently depending on when you eat them. In the morning and around midday, your insulin sensitivity is high, which means your body processes carbs efficiently and burns them for energy. At night, that sensitivity drops. The exact same plate of rice you eat at lunch gets used. That same plate at 10 p.m. gets stored. That's not opinion. That's just how the metabolic system works in the evening when your body is winding down. Nobody tells you this. They just tell you carbs are bad. Carbs aren't bad. Nighttime carbs are working against a body that's already shutting down for the day. Eat your heaviest carb meal at lunch and keep dinner lighter. Third one surprises people. Dark chocolate. Everyone treats it like a nighttime reward. You finish dinner, you want something sweet, you grab a piece of dark chocolate because at least it's healthy. But dark chocolate has caffeine in it and something called theobromine, which is another stimulant. Researchers at the University of Murcia actually studied this and found that eating chocolate close to bedtime disrupts your circadian system. It shifts your sleep hormones at exactly the wrong time. The same chocolate eaten in the morning actually helped regulate the internal clock instead of throwing it off. So the food isn't the problem, the timing is. Have your dark chocolate earlier in the day and you get all the benefits, antioxidants, mood, energy, without it quietly destroying your sleep that night. Fourth is yogurt. And this one messes with people because yogurt is basically sold as a breakfast food. The whole point of yogurt, the reason people pay extra for it, is the live bacteria, the probiotics. But when you eat it on a completely empty stomach, your stomach acid is at its most aggressive. It kills most of those bacteria before they ever make it to your gut, where they're actually supposed to work. You're essentially paying for probiotics and then destroying them yourself. Eat yogurt after you've already had something else, mid-morning after breakfast or after lunch. When there's already food in your stomach, the acid isn't as harsh and the bacteria actually survive the trip. Last one is nuts. Nuts at night feels like a responsible choice. Small handful, healthy fats, a bit of protein. What's the issue? The issue is your metabolism slows down significantly by evening. Your body isn't looking to burn anything at that point. It's winding down. Those fats that would fuel your brain and keep you full during the day just sit there at night. Eat nuts in the morning instead. Your metabolism is running, your body actually uses them, and they keep you full in a way that stops you from overeating later. It's the same food, same calories, completely different outcome just based on when you eat it. That's the thing nobody's telling you. The diet conversation is always about what to cut, what to eat, what to avoid, but the timing piece changes everything without you changing a single ingredient. Your body already knows what to do with these foods. You just have to stop feeding it at the wrong hour. Try adjusting just one of these this week. You'll feel the difference before you even finish the week.